One of the easiest ways to please your clients, your customers, your audience is just asking them what they want. I know it sounds so simple, but if you don't do this, if you don't use the strategy, you could actually be losing out on your customer feedback reviews being 5 stars. And you might be missing out on repeat customers. And that's a huge problem. So I want to help you today. All right, so what you really want to do when you are a business owner, an entrepreneur, a leader, right? This is something that I do in my business. I really hone in, I really focus on what are my customers saying? What are my clients saying to me? So I'm not just thinking about the good things, right? I am thinking about also the negative aspects. So I might ship some jewelry to some, and I sell gemstone jewelry. My business is LaMorvielle Fashions, and I sell silver-plated gemstone jewelry. And so I might ship out some gemstone jewelry to a customer, and they might leave me 5 stars, and they might say, I love the quality, I love the gemstones, and I love the fact that shipping is so quick. Okay, I'm keeping those things in mind. So they love the shipping, they love that the shipping is quick, they love that the quality is so amazing, and they're enjoying the gemstone pieces that I'm picking. I'm going to keep doing that, right? I'm going to keep giving them what they want. Now, what if I get a review and it's a 1 star and they say something like, the gemstone piece that I received was broken, or what I purchased on, or what I thought I was purchasing on my store or on the store, I didn't get. It's something completely different and I am dissatisfied. 1 star. Or maybe they say that shipping took forever and the packaging was not the greatest, so my item was broken when I got it. Okay. All these negatives, don't take it personally. Okay, don't take it to offense. Instead, use these things and now better what you're doing, right? Make sure that the next customers that order from you, they don't have that negative experience, okay? So you're going to listen to the feedback. You're going to think about, what are my customers saying to me? What are they, what are the positive things that they're saying, and what are the negative things that they're saying? You're going to do more of the positive. Just keep throwing it in there, lay it on thick, right? And how can you do these things even better? And then the negative things, what you're going to do is try to fix them, either remove them from what you're doing or find ways to make them better so that they end up in the positive pile, right? Okay, so your goal is to use your customer feedback, your reviews, to better what you're doing. And you don't want to fall into the trap of just, you don't want to fall into the trap of just focusing on the positives or the negatives. You really want to dive in deeper. So not just waiting for them to give you the feedback, but be proactive. Okay, take action and actually reach out to your customers. So there's some customers that I get sometimes where they don't leave any reviews at all. So in my mind, I don't know what they want. I don't know if I did a good job or if I did a bad job. I'm just kind of left in limbo. And that's a lot of customers, or that's a lot of experiences that I know with a lot of other entrepreneurs. Most customers do not leave reviews or feedback. So what you need to do is reach out to your customer. Just go that extra step and just ask them, hey, I saw that you received your purchase. Did you enjoy what you received? Are you happy? Are you satisfied? Is there something I could do better? And then even maybe reach out and give them a coupon for leaving a review or something along those lines. You want to get as much feedback as you can, because the more feedback that you get, the more that you're getting really helpful insight. This isn't guesswork. This isn't anything that you have to make up or research. This is straight from your customers' mouths. You're asking them exactly, can you tell me what you want? What are you looking for? And they're going to tell you, right? one thing that I do with my customers is I put up little questionnaires or polls, and I ask them to vote. Okay, vote on your favorite. What gemstone do you like the best, and vote on it. And then whatever they vote on, that's probably going to be the featured gemstone that I offer the following month. Or I'm giving them exactly what they want, and I'm taking away the things that they don't want. They don't want to see. They don't want to be a part of. So that way I'm giving them the full like 5-star review experience that they are looking for, that they want, so that they actually come back, and not just come back, they actually spread the word about their experience and how good they feel, because you're listening to them, how appreciated they feel, because you took the time to actually ask them a question and hear what they say. And they really do appreciate the fact that you do that, that you're not just doing whatever. You're really focusing on their needs, their wants. And a lot of businesses really don't do that. So you actually stand out from your competition or others in the industry because of the fact that you're taking time to really dive in deep and ask each and every person, or as many people as you can, for some feedback. So why don't you think about something that you could ask your customers today, and go ahead and reach out. Reach out to them and just ask them, hey, I just have this quick question. Tell me something that you really enjoy about my product, service, or offer. Or is there anything that you could give me, any type of feedback that maybe I could work on that would make your experience even better? All right, and hear what they have to say and implement it. Start working on those things. If they give you all positives, keep doing more of that. If they give you some negatives, don't take it to heart. Okay, don't let your ego get in the way. Instead, absorb that information and then fix it, make it better, so that way next time they come to you, or even don't even wait for them to come to you go back to them now and say, I heard what you said, you told me about this, and I fixed this and this, and I'd like for you to try it out. Here's a coupon, and let me know what you think now. So not only will you help them feel better that you're turning their experience around, but they're going to be so appreciative again that you listened to them and you gave them a little coupon or a little incentive to try it out and even get more feedback from them. Okay, use this strategy to your advantage, and make the best of your business just by asking, right? It's that easy. All right, I hope this helped you, friends. Till next time, stay bright, stay beautiful, and keep on smiling. Later, Gator. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.